What is up, guys? So right now we uploaded another tune. Oh, I'm sitting on his keys, sorry. Right, so we are uploading another tune that he sent to us, and basically it's to baby it all the way up to 30 pounds of boost. So we will see how it feels in the car. It's my first time actually riding shotgun in a car while we're able to actually tune it. Obviously the last time we were in the process of tuning is when, you know, the spark plug decided to melt the ground and do all that fancy stuff. So we will see how the Evo runs. It is pretty early, so we have time to go back and forth with the tuner if he's available. So let's see how the car does. We are going to be doing 15 pound boost. Hopefully, we will see. We'll see.
Probably not.
We'll see. And it overboosted, and it still shot to like 27-ish. So we're thinking this 9-pound spring is probably going to put us right around 16 to 18. The tuner wants us to be around 14, 15. So we're going to see where it's going to be overboosting, hopefully. So this is 9-pound spring in the wastegate. We'll see what it does. Guys, so this next tune that we just loaded is supposed to be 20 psi. Now the last spring that we had in the wastegate was only a 9-pound spring.
But this is with the boost controller connected.
Okay, and it still has the 9-pound spring in it, but we reconnected the boost controller. So now he's just slowly going to be upping it into a comfort level for us. So right now it's supposed to be around 20. We'll see what it actually does. So yeah, here we go. Round 3. Alright guys, we are waiting on a clear patch of road coming up ahead, hopefully. It's very tricky doing this tuning process. It's a risk and gamble every single time we have to go back out. guys, so it is day like 5 or whatever of the tuning process for the Evo 8. After about the last pull that we did where it hit 27 and then it dropped back down to 20, so we know the boost controller is working and whatnot, we noticed that there's a lot of like oil and whatnot every time we would stop after the tuning process. So trying to figure out where it's coming from, and it's coming from the trans. There were some O-rings that needed to be replaced. So we already replaced the O-rings. So now we just have to put everything back together. We have to tighten this. We have to tighten the oil plug. So it's already fixed, thankfully. So that's pretty easy. We have to put the axle back in, tire, cover, all that stuff. Super easy fix, just a small little oil leak. So once we get all that back on, then we are going to do, the next pull is going to be, I believe, 30 PSI, and then maybe 35 going up from there. So the whole back and forth between me, Brad, and the tuner, it does take a couple days between each review depending on if he's busy or not. So we're just waiting right now to finish up this. We'll do the next pull. We'll send it to him. He'll send it back, and then we'll just go from there. So until then, just wanted to update you guys on the Evo 8. It is doing great. The Camaro is doing amazing with the new EXEDY clutch. If you haven't checked out that video, make sure you do that now. It's right up there. And the CTS V is always doing good. There's no issues with that. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.